Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes step by step. Easy method. Start by checking your filing status and gathering ID and social security numbers. Then decide if you will itemize or use the standard deduction. Choose whether to use reliable tax software, hire a preparer, or fill out forms by hand. Keep receipts and Form 1099s handy, and set aside a quiet block of time to complete each section carefully. Before you start, assemble W-2s, Form 1099s, bank statements, and receipts for deductions so nothing interrupts your flow. Organize documents by category: income, deductions, credits, and payments made. Having last year's return helps populate fields and spot changes. If you plan to e-file, confirm your bank routing and account numbers for direct deposit or payment. This prep saves time and reduces errors when filling forms. Work through Form 1040 step by step, entering personal info, dependents, and all income items from W-2s and Form 1099s. Apply credits like the child tax credit and education credits, and include deductible expenses whether itemizing or taking the standard deduction. Double-check math, verify bank info for refunds, and sign the return electronically or by hand if mailing. Keep copies of everything for your records and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.